Hey guys, Mrs. Norberg again. I'm going to go over Tuesday's practice problems with you guys. So make sure that you check your answers so that you understand exactly what is going on with our data. So we're looking at a problem with the height of trees in feet in a city park that are listed below. You can see here that they're already in number order, which is nice because we don't have to do that. So what does the IQR tell you about the variability of the boxes? So first off, if you remember how to find IQR, we would first find the number in the middle of all of these. So if we crossed off 3 on this side, remember sometimes it makes it go a little faster when you cross out a few at a time. So I crossed out 3 on that side, cross, cross. So our median here is 23, and you can see that listed here. Then if you remember, if 23 is our median, our lower quartile, we cross to find the median there. So 18, as you can see at the front of the box, is there. And if we cross out on the other side, we get 27 as our quartile 3. So that again, you can see on the chart. So our biggest number was 43. That's why it goes way up here. And our smallest number was 3. That's why it goes way below. So now that we've looked at that and we know how they made the box and whisker plot, how do we find the IQR? Well, we take the beginning of the box or the end of the box and we subtract the beginning of the box. So we subtract quarter 3 and quarter 1. So quartile 3 is 27, quartile 1 is 18. So we get an IQR or an interquartile range of 9. So this tells us that the middle 50% of heights of the trees are in a 9-foot range between 18 feet and 27 feet. Now looking at the problems on the next slide. What is the median of this set of data? So we already know that the median here is 23. We found that out on the previous slide. So what does the median tell you about the heights of trees? Well, the median tells you the middle number of your data set. Are there any outliers in this set of data? So remember, an outlier is a number that's pretty far from the rest of the numbers. So if 23 is our median, it goes down to 13 and then 3, and then it goes up to 33 and 43. So from 13 to 33, those are each about 10 away from the number 23, okay? Then the last number on the ends are, again, another 10 further than that. So all of these numbers here are about 10 away from 23, and all of these numbers here are about 10 away from 23. So that means 43 and 3, for them to be by themselves 10 numbers away from the number previous, they are outliers. That's a really big difference for those numbers to be that far away. So that's what we're going to write here and explain. So we're going to explain that there are 2 outliers on each ends of your data set. The outliers are 43 and 3 because they are 10 away from the numbers closest to them. Okay? So why is the median and IQR not affected by those outliers? Well, the median finds your middle of a set of data. So even though 3 and 43 are very far away, they're on the ends, which means even if this number was 33 and this was another 13, your middle number would still be 23. It doesn't matter because they are outside on the ends. So that's what we're going to explain here. So they are not affected because they are the smallest and largest numbers in our data set. Therefore, when we find the middle number, it does not affect the median or the IQR. Nice work, guys.